In this video I will discuss about a host listener. So host listener listen the event of our host element. So let's see the basic example of a host listener. So first of all I will go to the Visual Studio Code, and here you can see I have already opened home component.ts file because I want to use host listener in our home component. So first of all, if we want to use host listener, then we have to import host listener. So here in the import line, here I will add the comma and I will import host listener. So H and L is the capital of host listener. You can see here I have imported host listener, and now I will scroll the page and into the export class. So here we have to write @host listener. This is the syntax to use host listener, and parenthesis double inverted comma, and now the event name. So if you want to use mouse over event, so you can write here mouse over event, and if you want to use click event, any event you want to use, then you have to write here the event name. So I want to use here click event, so I will write here click, and now here we have to create a function. So function name is my function. You can write any name of this function and parenthesis. This is the syntax of function, and here I will create a alert function. So alert parenthesis and double inverted comma and hello and semicolon to separate this line. So now I didn't call this function anywhere, but when I will go to the browser and if I click any of this element, so it will be called alert. So you can see here, if I click this logo, then it's displaying alert, and if I click this menu, it's also displaying alert because it's listening the event of our host element. So this is the home component, and I used this host listener into the home component. So it's listening the event of our host element. So this element are into the home component. This header logo is our in home component, so it's listening the event of this element. So anywhere, I didn't call this host listener anywhere, but it's listening the event. So when I'm clicking anywhere, it's displaying alert. And now if I write here window clone click, so that means any of anywhere of in this window I will click, so it will will be displayed the alert. So here if I click, so it's displaying alert because I have written here window clone click. But if I written here only click, so that means now any of the element I will be clicked, so it will be displayed alert. So this is the use of host listener. So hope guys you have understand about the host listener, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and press the notification bell icon if you want to get more videos of Angular.